St. Catherine High, as we told you earlier, dethroned the defending champions Mona High after a dramatic penalty shootout to secure the 2025 ISSA Urban Area Walker Cup knockout title at the National Stadium earlier on Friday evening.
After winning the Walker Cup on 2 previous occasions, St. Catherine High returned for more success, but they had to dethrone the holders, Mona High. It was St. Catherine who had the ascendancy in the first half, leading 2-1 after 45 minutes with a Dwight Gentles double, while Devraj Singh scored for Mona. But Mona were not about to relinquish their crown that easily, and were back on level pegging through Ronaldo Payne 10 minutes into the second half. The celebrations got louder 2 minutes later when Sean Layton made it 3-2 for Mona. It's a lead they held until the 80th minute. Kevin Gray had Mona seeing blues as the score became 3-all. With the teams ending like that after regulation time, the stage was set for a tense finish from the penalty spot. St. Catherine held their nerves in the shootout, winning 4-3 to deny Mona a successful title defense.
I'm very, very excited, but I'm more excited for the youngsters and my assistant coach. First time, being a coach in the schoolboy football competition after winning at Bridgeport with him. My last title at Bridgeport he was as vice captain at Bridgeport 06 and won the Manning Cup and the Alva Shield. And now the first time assistant with me at catching, I must say kudos to him. He put out a really good job here today.
Well, the first thing that stood out today was I had too much bad memories of the Premier League final year that we lost on penalties. So I don't know how you prepare to win a penalty shootout, but what I can tell you is that I am very proud of Mona, what we have fought for this season, our staff, Craig Butler and his vision, and the standard that we have exemplified through the competition.
The victory marks St. Catherine High's third Walker Cup triumph following previous titles in 2019 and 2021 and confirms their return to the top of urban area schoolboy knockout football. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.